welcome back to my channel. So basically what this video is going to be, the long-awaited update and final review of this wig. This hair is from Luvme Hair. I was so excited when I got the wig. I installed the wig on January 18th. I've been wearing it consistently since then. So you don't have to worry about somebody who takes their wigs off and, you know, wondering if, oh, maybe the hair is good when they do a good review, because they probably take the wig off, or they have people sponsoring them and they can switch wigs like they switch underwear, you know what I'm saying? So this, I have reinstalled it multiple times with the Ghost Bond. So when I first got the hair, it was very beautiful. Y'all seen the wig straight out the package. I bleached the knots. I did the meltdown method on my hair, and I will insert clips and a picture of how my hair looked as soon as I finished putting it on, like done. And I must say, it looked phenomenal. The curls were that booty to the ground. But I knew from once I opened the wig up and I got it out the package that the texture did not really feel. It didn't feel like hair that I'm used to. I usually get Kendra's Boutique. I'm used to Kendra's Boutique hair. I'm used to lace. This was my first time getting a 360 lace wig. Usually I do lace frontals, ear to ear, 13x4, 13x6, and then I do bundles in the back. I really get tired of going to get my hair done. I hate getting sew-ins. I just hate the process. I just hate it. And I like the fact that I'm able to do my own when I just do the wig and I just melt it down on my own. Me ever doing the meltdown method and installing a wig for the first time in my life, that shit was the fuck bomb. So the initial problem, the shedding, yo. The number one issue I have with this hair is the shedding. Granted, I know for a fact that lace sheds. It's going to shed. This is what I try to tell people all the time that's new to lace. It's going to shed. It's not like a weft where you have the hair sewn onto a weft on a track. When it's tied into lace, that's the only thing that is on there is a knot. A little simple knot. The strands of hair are tied into a knot onto the lace. That's the only security you have. So it's going to bald and it's going to shed. My problem with this was that it wasn't just like shedding. It was like
coming out in clumps.
And I'm going to insert pictures as well of the actual clumps from the hair. And it was doing that from the beginning. It didn't happen after the first wash. I always kept the hair soaking wet when I detangled it with conditioner. I wasn't going to risk, because I knew that lace was going to shed. I wanted to keep up this hair as good as possible. It was a 26 inch. That's the longest thing they sell. That was my original issue. I like 30 inches of hair. It is turned to a 20 inch. It's awful. It's dry. It sheds so bad. I'm just going to run my fingers through it. And it tangles really bad too. Look at all this hair that just came out of it just for me running my fingers through it. Imagine a brush, an anxiety attack every single time that I brush my hair. And I can't live like that. I cannot live that way. I'm sorry. I just can't do that. I did this for 2 months exact. It's been 2 months. Y'all, I can't take this off and show y'all how bad. I'm going to show y'all. I'm going to insert clips at the end of it. I'm just so ashamed. This shit is awful. Granted, I guess you get what you paid for. It came with a flat iron and then the wig for $2 something. I already knew off rip when it came with a flat iron that, okay, this probably is some trash hair. And I'm not gonna lie to you, it's trash. So the curls lasted. Let me tell you about flat ironing it. Flat ironing it was a hot freaking mess, yo. A hot mess. It was so dry and just, the texture of the hair just felt so ugly and brittle. I guess if you really do want a wig genuinely to just last you a month, then you could go with this. But if you want to, you're gonna end up investing a lot of money, and you'd be better off just spending the bigger bucks on a better wig. My bundles last over a year, and I just got to keep replacing the frontal. But when I did the math and I calculated the amount that I pay and plus tips to my hairstylist and then a fresh frontal every 2 months, it wound out to be best that I just buy wigs every 2 to 3 months. So I may stick with the wigs, I may not. I don't know. But the next hair company that I'm reviewing will determine that. And I'm going to film that video right after this, so don't worry. We're going to jump straight into that because this shit coming off and that's coming on. A cosmetologist for 7. I've had my license for 5. No. I've had my license for 7. I've been a cosmetologist for 9. So I know what to do. Like, I've been wearing weave all my life since I've been allowed to. Like, I know how to maintain good hair. This hair is just not for me. Like, it's just not good. Like, the length ain't the same. It's ugly. Like, it's just like once you put moisture on it, like it like frizzes and poofs back up so quick. Like, it is so thin. Like, and the worst thing about it is this is why I'm so upset about the wig. It was not even a full lace wig to be shedding like that. It was only lace from here. It's only lace from here to here, and then a little bit of lace in the back. So if you want to put your bun up, you kind of can, you kind of can't, depending on how fresh your hair is. So the rest in the middle is wefts. This hair should not be looking like this. And another thing, they have a and I didn't know that before I filmed the videos. So I already wanted to start my YouTube channel and do this, but they have a system where they like pay you if you upload a video and a certain amount of views, they give you 50, and then a certain more views, they give you another 50. The email that they had that you send the photos to is not even an active email. I'm just gonna tell y'all straight up, Nandi Cook will not be purchasing from them ever again. I'm just not for that type of look. I'm more for a better look. This ain't it for me. So by all means, if y'all want it, go for it. To each his own. Some people can tolerate certain things. Me, one thing I cannot tolerate with my virgin hair is tangling, and I cannot tolerate shedding. I just can't. So it is what it is. Thank y'all for living with me. Thank you for being patient with me. I hope that I included all the details you wanted. If you have more questions or I didn't elaborate on something that you want me to elaborate on, just leave a comment, email me, social media, whatever. I'll get right back to you. But thank you for watching. Love ya. Bye.